Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. So in this video I'm going to go over the easiest way to drop service in 2020. So what is drop servicing first of all? Well, drop servicing is when you find people who want a service like logo design and then you pay someone else to create the logo on a freelance site like Fiverr and then you keep the difference. An example of this is that you would find a small business owner who wants a logo designing. You would charge them £150 and promise a high quality logo that will be designed in 1 week. You then go and find a logo designer on Fiverr and they charge £75 for a high quality logo. The Fiverr person then finishes the logo and send it to you, who then send it to the small business owner. The £150 that you charge the business owner minus the £75 cost for the logo equals 75 profit for yourself, and there's a little diagram there where you understand it a little better. So the easiest way to drop a service, what is that? So in my opinion, I think that logo or graphic design is one of the best services to do at first. The first and maybe hardest thing you need to do is find people who want a logo designing. There are 3 ways you could do this. The first one is message small business or business owners and ask if they want a logo designing. This way you'll just message lots of business owners and see if they do. It's probably not going to get you many, but it might get you your first couple. The second way is to create paid ads like Facebook ads and advertise your services to try and get customers that way. So you just aim your ads at small businesses or small business owners and hope that they see your ad and message you about it. The third way is to join Facebook networking groups with other business owners and reach out to them to buy logos. Once you've got some people who want logos doing, you can go to a freelance site of your choice and find someone who looks like they design good logos and get them to design a logo for the business. After the logo is made, then you just send it to your client and keep any profit that you made during the process. If you can consistently find customers, this is a really good side hustle because it doesn't require much work and you could make £50 to £100 profit per logo depending on how good a service you provide and how much you charge for the service. So these are some problems that you may come across along the way. So one problem you might have is people not trusting you because they've just found you on the internet. Like, how do they know you're going to make them a good logo? Some things that you could do to make yourself look more trustworthy is you could make an Instagram page and post loads of logos on there and people could see the past logos you've made or the freelancer has made you and then they'll trust you more. Another thing you can do is when you're asking people if they want a logo designing or on the paid advert, you could ask the freelance logo designer to send you some past designs he has made or they have made, and then they can use them to show the clients that they'll receive good logos, and this will make them trust you. This will help you seem more trustworthy and there will be a higher chance of people buying the logos from you, which obviously you want as it will make you more money. So thanks for watching everyone. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. If you did, please don't forget to leave us a subscribe and a comment and a like. Also stick around for how to enter the 100 subscriber giveaway. Thanks everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Remember everyone, we have a 100 subscriber giveaway. All you need to do is click on the link in the description for the video about how you can enter and subscribe. Good luck to everyone who enters. Thanks everyone, see you in the next video.